In this video, we're going to talk about a bank that you've never heard of that's giving out $25,000 limits and they have 0% for over 2 years.
Okay, money magnets, not only does this bank have high credit card limits, but stick around because we're going to tell you about the business side as well. Let's dive into the first product and see how these credit cards can benefit you. Now, the first card is the Platinum card. Now, this particular card has 0% interest for 21 billing cycles, and you have up to 651 days to do a balance transfer. That right there can be a cash flow changer.
Yeah.
Now, another thing I love about this card is you have now pay over time, and that's extended pay. So what that means is you can split your purchases into affordable payments with no interest. Now, money magnets, you can't go wrong if you have 0% interest for 21 billing cycles. Now, that gives you a chance to swipe and not have to pay. This particular card doesn't have rewards, but what if you're looking for a card that has everyday rewards?
All right, Gloria, let's talk about the Everyday Rewards Plus card. With this card, you can get 4 times the points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery. You can also get 2 times the points on grocery stores, gas stations, and EV charging stations, and you get eligible streaming services like your Netflix and Amazon. You get points on those. Guys, look, you can get 1 times the points on all other eligible purchases, and this card is 0% for 6 months. But guys, I need you to do me a favor. Like and share this video. Even if you can't use it, share it with someone that can. And if you have any experience with Journey Bank, make sure you comment below. If you're looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business, Gloria and I are offering a free business strategy call. Make sure you look in the description below and take advantage of that free call where you can raise more capital for your business, because that's why we talk about these high limit personal and business cards so that you can start your own business and get financial freedom. But Gloria, what if they want a cash back card?
Now, the Max Cash Preferred card. Now, with this particular card, there's no annual fee, as well as you get 0% APR for the first 12 billing cycles, as well as you have 366 days from account opening to do a balance transfer. I love the fact that they give you that time frame, so you don't have to just go right into opening up the account and do a balance transfer. You have time to make that balance transfer. Also, this particular card gives you 5% cash back in 2 categories. The first $2,000 in combined purchases in every quarter, okay? So you have in 1 quarter, you have $2,000 that you can get 5% cash back on. That's what that means. You also get 2% unlimited cash back on 1 everyday category, as well as 1% unlimited cash back on all other eligible purchases. Now, this particular card does give you a bonus of $150 when you spend $500 in the first 90 days of having the card. Now, after that 12-month introductory rate, your interest rate will go from 18.49% all the way up to 28.74%. Now, I really like this card, but what if you're looking for a card that gives you travel rewards? Let's look and see what that has to offer.
All right, Gloria, let's talk about the Travel Rewards Plus card. With this card, you can earn 4 times the points on eligible travel and more and receive 25,000 bonus points. You get 4 times the points on travel, gas stations, EV and charging stations, entertainment, and recreation. You get 1.5 times the points on all other eligible purchases. Now, you'll receive those 25,000 bonus points when you spend $2,000 in the first 120 days. And remember, guys, you get airport lounge access at over 1,700 VIP lounges as you travel around the world. And don't forget, you get 0% for 12 months. Guys, it's not what you make, it's what you keep. And learning how to use these 0% cards, this one card goes up to 21 months. If you watch our other videos, you can really get up to 3 or 4 years of 0% if you structure it the right way. What if they're looking for premium rewards and benefits? Let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, Money Magnets, we're talking about the Reserve Rewards card. Now, you know how I feel about holding a black card in my wallet, okay? So, with this particular card, it does come with a hefty fee, which is $390 per year. Now, the interest rate on this card is anywhere from 18.74% all the way up to 28.74%. Now, this card doesn't come with all of those 0% interest, so you're not going to get that. But let me tell you the rewards that you will receive with this card. You'll earn 50,000 bonus points worth $500 when you spend $4,500 in the first 90 days of having the account. You also get 6 times the points when you prepay travel booked through their reward center. So you have to book your travel through the reward center and pay for it with this card. You also get 2 times the points on all other eligible purchases, as well as if you're a traveler, you kick your feet up with the airport lounge, because that comes with this particular card. Now, Money Magnets, the airport lounges now are getting very expensive. So this is a good card to have in your wallet if you're a traveler and you like having those prestigious benefits. Okay, Money Magnets, before we head over to the business side, Marvin, let's tell them a little bit about this institution and what they can look forward to.
Now, this bank in 2023 was the combination of 2 banks. It was First Columbia Bank and Muncie Bank, primarily in central Pennsylvania. But remember, anybody can apply for these credit cards because they're third party with Elan. Traditionally, Elan pulls TransUnion. Now, if you want some of the bank's products, from what we could gather, they pull Experian. We couldn't get a lot of information over the phone. You're probably wondering, what credit score should I have? I would have at least a 700, 720 score before I apply. If you want a relationship and you're in that area, you might want to start with their BAS checking account. Remember, have less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months. And guys, make sure that you remove your freezes and your fraud alerts so you don't have any hiccups while applying. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the bank, but let's dive into the business credit cards.
So the first card on the business side is the Business Cash Preferred Card. Now, this card has no annual fee, and that's always good to jumpstart your business, as well as 0% APR for the first billing cycles. That right there can really help you as a business owner. Now, this card gives you 3% cash back on gas, EV charging, cell phone service, office supplies, as well as dining and takeout. So if you're an Uber Eats, or if you like, your food delivered, you can get 3% cash back. This card also gives you 5% cash back on prepaid hotels booked directly through the reward center, as well as 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases. Now, this card does give you a cash back bonus of $25 after your first purchase. Keep in mind, Money Magnets, after you get the 0% interest for the first 6 billing cycles, your APR will go from 17.99% to 26.99%. Now, what if you're looking for a card with just a low interest rate?
Okay, Gloria, you're right. If you're looking to save on interest, you want to check out the Journey Bank business card. They have an extended low intro rate. All right, with this intro rate, it's 0% for 18 months. Guys, that's like a year and a half. That gives you more purchasing power. You can pay down balances without paying interest, and you get free employee cards. That way you can keep track of all your employee expenses. And if I'm looking to save money, this would be the business card I would want. And I would team this with other videos that we've made to get up to 2 to 3 years with 0%. Now, Gloria, what if I want business rewards?
Now, if you're looking for a rewards card, the Smart Business Rewards card may work for you. Now, this particular card, there's an introductory 0 annual fee for the first 12 months. After that, the card will go to $95 per year, and you don't have to pay for your employees to have this card in their wallet, okay? Now, this card gives you 2 times the points per dollar spent in 2 top categories each month automatically. It also gives you 5 times the points when you book directly through the reward center on hotels and car rentals. This card will give you 1 times the points when you spend $1 on all other eligible purchases. Now, this card has a bonus. I love the bonuses. So you get 20,000 bonus points when you spend $500 on authorized officer cards within the first 90 days of having the card. Now, Money Magnets, what if you just need a business everyday rewards card?
All right, Gloria, let's jump into the Business Real Rewards card. This is a simple and easy card to earn rewards like an everyday card. This card, you can get 1.5 times the points on every dollar spent on all eligible purchases. You get 2,500 bonus points worth up to $25 after your first purchase. So you actually earn money, with this card. You get 0% for 6 months. So now you got 6 months where you don't have to pay interest. You get 5.5 times the points on prepaid hotels and car rentals booked directly in the reward center, and you get no cap on rewards, and you have up to 5 years to redeem your rewards. So if you're using this card every day, you should rack up points and be able to redeem those whenever you feel like it. Guys, overall, I like Journey Bank, especially because of the 0% offers on personal and business. So if you're looking to raise up to $250,000 and you want Gloria and I to help you, make sure you look in the description below and book a free Zoom call with us.
But hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glo?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking to raise more money for your business, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.